How to prepare for sod installation. Creating a healthy lawn can be done using a variety of methods, the most common of which are laying sod or seeding the ground. Laying sod creates a beautiful, green lawn in little to no time and is relatively easy to do. However, before laying sod it is essential to prepare the lawn. Keep some basic guidelines in mind in order to achieve optimal results. Things you will need: topsoil, rake, shovel, wheelbarrow, measuring tape, marking paint. Mark the area where the sod will be planted. Use marking paint to outline the perimeter of the desired area. This helps to give you a better idea of what the grass will look like when finished and will help to determine how much sod is needed. Calculate the amount of square feet in the area that will be sodded. If the area is rectangular, simply measure the length and the width and multiply the two figures. Be sure to add a few extra square feet to ensure you have enough in case you damage some sod or your measurement is off a little. Rake the area that will be planted, removing any rocks. In addition, level the yard as necessary. If there is a spot that needs to be lowered, remove the soil with a shovel and place the dirt in a spot that needs to be raised. Roll the ground with a sod roller filled 1/3 full with water, making sure to compact the soil. Purchase enough soil to cover the area with 1 to 1 inch of dirt. Use the measurements obtained earlier to determine how much soil is necessary. When sodding a small area, purchase packaged sod. The back of the package will tell you how much soil is needed. If sodding a larger area, consult your local nursery to discuss the size of the area being sodded and determine how much soil is needed. Carefully rake the surface of the area being sodded one more time, and pour the topsoil on evenly. Do one final check before placing the sod to make sure the area is free from bumps, dips and rocks.